So it seems like there's not enough room for some of the included hangers and your shirts that you have. It's no problem. All you got to do, make yourself some more space. When you first get into your room, you might notice that the beds are separated and you might want them together or vice versa. So you can actually grab these pieces right out of the wall. You can separate it, and then here on the side, if I move the bed, you'll be able to move the bed out and simply take this piece and put it over here instead. There's a lot of ways to be able to customize your space for where you put your clothes. You've obviously got a safe, pull-out sections, and then spots for shoes as well. Or you can use this side where you've got these kind of shelves and spots for shoes or other things to store as well. For spaces like this, pretty cool door design. If you want to know how tall a shower can get, I am 6'2", and while it is definitely at the ceiling there, I can still easily fit under. So if you're 6'2" or shorter, you'll have plenty of room height-wise to fit in here.